Every time I scrolled through travel reels or chatted with fellow nomads, one name kept coming up: Sedona. They called it magical, healing, otherworldly. So I packed my bags, hit the road, and today I'm going to tell you why there's so much hype about Sedona, Arizona, and whether it lives up to it. Sedona is nestled in the northern Verde Valley of Arizona, USA, about 2 hours north of Phoenix. Surrounded by towering red sandstone formations, it's like stepping onto another planet, one carved by wind, water, and time. So, how to reach Sedona? You can fly into Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, rent a car, and enjoy a scenic 2-hour drive north. Trust me, the drive is a preview of what's to come. Winding roads, desert vistas, and that first jaw-dropping glimpse of red rocks. Everyone asks about, why is Sedona so famous? Sedona isn't just famous for its views, it's known worldwide for its energy. This place is considered one of Earth's most powerful spiritual vortexes, areas believed to enhance meditation, healing, and self-discovery. Add to that an art-loving community, crystal shops, stargazing tours, and sunsets that look photoshopped, and you'll see why people call it magical. Sedona's Secret 7 is a curated list of lesser-known but breathtaking spots, perfect for avoiding crowds. These secrets are Red Rock Crossing, serene creek views of Cathedral Rock, Baldwin Trail, easy hike, epic vistas, Fay Canyon Arch, Short Trail, Secret Arch, Schnebly Hill Vista, panoramic views, the Birthing Cave, yes, it's real, Secret Slick Rock, Sunset Heaven, the Cultural Park Trailhead, Sedona's Hidden Balcony. Hiking these feels like uncovering secrets whispered by the earth. There's so much to do in Sedona, it's impossible to be bored. Hike to Devil's Bridge for that iconic photo. Take a pink Jeep tour through the rugged terrain. Meditate at a Vortex site. Browse local art galleries and crystal shops. Go stargazing under Sedona's certified dark sky. Or take a hot air balloon ride at sunrise. It's a paradise for hikers, artists, healers, and adventure seekers. The best time to visit? Spring, March to May. Or fall, September to November. You'll get mild weather, fewer crowds, and blooming wildflowers or golden canyon leaves. Summer can be scorching, and winter gets chilly, but it's never off limits. Sedona isn't the cheapest stop, but it's worth the splurge. Budget travelers can find motels or campgrounds starting at $60 to $100 per night. Mid-range stays like Airbnbs or boutique inns run around $150 to $250. For a luxury experience, places like L'Auberge de Sedona or Enchantment Resort will blow your mind and your wallet. Food ranges from local cafes to organic vegan bistros to upscale dining with views. So, is Sedona worth the hype? Yes. It's one of those rare places that touches your soul while dazzling your senses. Whether you're seeking adventure, clarity, or just killer Instagram shots, Sedona delivers. You won't just see beauty here, you'll feel it. And once you leave, you'll carry a piece of it with you. Have you been to Sedona? Or is it on your bucket list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video helped or inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more travel stories, tips, and hidden gems from around the world. See you in the next adventure.